this is Yuki from Yuki's Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make temari sushi. Temari means hand and mari means bowl. So I will show you how to make three types of sushi ingredients, which is sea breams, tuna, salmon, and also garnish for the lovely color of caviar, which is tobiko, wasabi tobiko, and lumpfish. First, I will show you how to slice sea breams. Very thinly. So now here is a block of salmon, so I'm just gonna slice very thinly again. So here is a lovely tuna, so you needed to support tuna to slice very thinly. We have sliced of salmon, tuna, sea breams here. So now we have sushi rice. So sushi rice, you can buy Japanese rice from local supermarket, then cook for about 8 minutes. Then combine with rice vinegar mixture, then make sushi rice here. So we're going to make shape for temari. So temari is a hand shape, so you needed to have a cling film. So I'm going to cut into your hand size, a little bit bigger. So like this. Here you go. So about this big. Then also you have to have water, because sushi rice is very sticky, so you need to dip your finger every time you grab your sushi rice. Right, so now we needed to put the cling film on your hand. One slice of salmon on your hand. Then dump your finger, not too much. Then grab small amount of rice on a slice of salmon, like this. Then you needed to twist all like this. Twist the cling film tightly, nicely, to make the bowl shape, like this. Then open. Here you go, beautiful temari sushi. So now we needed to have garnish each sushi. So here is a tobiko, red tobiko for the sea bream. So wasabi tobiko for the tuna. Black lumpfish for salmon. So I'm gonna put a little bit of red tobiko on the sea bream. Okay, a little bit. So next one is a wasabi tobiko, which is the same flying fish, but flavor of wasabi, so it's quite spicy. And also it's really nice crunchy texture, so that's what I love. So next one is a black caviar, which is a lumpfish roll. So this one really easy to find. You get my local fish, monger, supermarket, and also inexpensive. Here is a soy sauce and wasabi, which is Japanese radish. If you like spicy, you can put it on top. So I'm gonna garnish with here. So that's how you make temari sushi.